Welcome to Vehicles Bro. Do you know how much it costs to replace the 6.4 Powerstroke engine? In this video, we will break it down for you all. Stay tuned. Being a powerful engine from Ford and the power it has, the replacement is quite costly. It can cost around a minimum of $10,000 to replace a 6.4 Powerstroke engine. Firstly, a short block 6.4 Powerstroke can cost around $7,000 to $9,000. Secondly, a long block 6.4 Powerstroke can cost around $11,000 to $16,000. In addition, labor cost and other charges can cost you up to $3,000 to $4,000. Finally, if you have the short assembly kit for the 6.4 Powerstroke engine, the cost, including labor, is around $16,000 to $17,000. So, estimated replacement cost is around $11,000 to $17,500. Hope this video will be helpful for you.